Salesforce actually does. So Salesforce is, okay, just give me 1 minute. 1 moment, please. Okay, here we are. So here is a small introduction to the Salesforce. So it's a global web-based software and cloud computing company. Okay, best known for its customer relationship management product. So it is best known for its CRM product. It was founded by this guy called Mark Benioff. That's fine. It specializes in software as a service. Okay, so they provide software as a service for your CRM. Got that? So just the keywords for Salesforce is CRM software as a service. That is what they provide. So it's, I'll make it a little more simpler for you to understand. So Salesforce basically is, what do you call it? A company which provides you with the cloud-based CRM concept. So we just talked about CRM, and we are talking about that. Okay, fine. For CRM, where would you store your data? Would you store it in your local server, or would you put it on the cloud-based server? So Salesforce basically provides this thing. So they provide the cloud-based CRM solution. Okay. So any company which does not want to build their own server and which is willing to put data on the cloud, Salesforce is the service provider for that. Okay, so Salesforce gives you an option where you can just purchase a license from them and you can start putting your data on the cloud. Right? Instead of building your own server, you just need to pay a certain small amount to them and you can start putting the data on the cloud. So that is what Salesforce actually is. Clear on that? We understand what Salesforce is now? Okay. So give me 1 more minute. So when you start using Salesforce, you don't have to worry about the server part. Okay, you don't have to take care of the server, and you don't have to build and all that stuff. So server, like for using Gmail. So Gmail, you started writing emails on Gmail, and you have inbox, outbox, so many things. So did you ever think of where all this data is getting stored and everything? We never thought of it, right? We never think about that. Why? Because Gmail itself will take care of where they have to store the data and all. If you create some files on your local computer, then you will have to think of where I need to save it and all that stuff, right? But for your Gmail, you never thought of it. For your Facebook, you never thought of it. Do you think before uploading your photographs on Facebook where it will be saved and everything? No. So the server part you don't have to take care of. Okay. So the service provider takes care of it. So Salesforce also takes care of the server. So the hardware, whatever is required, Salesforce.com will take care of it. You don't have to do anything. Fine. You will be provided the software as a service, and you will need to access that software as a service to enter your data into the system, or take out the data and everything. So that is what you will be doing there. Got it? Okay. So now what do we have in Salesforce? So there are a couple of these terminologies which I want you to understand. One is the Salesforce application. Okay. So what is the Salesforce application? This includes pre-built application for customer relationship management. So pre-built CRM applications ranging from Salesforce automation to partner relationship management, marketing and customer service. So Salesforce applications are the pre-built applications from Salesforce.com. Okay. Before I get into the Salesforce application things and all, let me just tell you a quick thing, that I started my discussion with CRM. Okay, why did I start my discussion with CRM? Because Salesforce initially started their business thing with the CRM application. Okay, so if you go back in the year 2003 2004, that is where they initially came up with the CRM application concept. Okay, so their first application was CRM application, and nowadays till date, the most popular one that they have is the CRM application. It is uh, mostly used for CRM. Okay. Now the point is CRM the only data that a company has? No. Company also has other information. CRM is not the only thing, right? Company has employees data, they have their finance data, they have their vendors, inventories, stocks, cases, customer support, so much of other information. Customer relationship management is just one small part of it, right? But see, CRM is what Salesforce initially came up with, and that is till date the most popular solution provided by Salesforce. Now, apart from that, in last few years, Salesforce also has come up with some other applications. So they directly do not develop those applications, but they give you the platform to develop those applications, right? So if we are talking about today, you might have a question: is Salesforce all about CRM? Can we just have CRM applications on Salesforce? The answer is no. Fine. So Salesforce has pre-built CRM application that is there, but you can also design your own application. So if you want to track your projects on that, if you want to track your employees and their leaves details and the beneficiaries of employees, whatever data you want to maintain, you can do that. But for that you will have to design your own application. Okay, so that is the thing. You can do, or you can store all sort of information, all sort of data on Salesforce, but Salesforce from their side, they will provide you CRM application, and they provide you with this platform, force.com platform, where you can build your own applications. Okay, so now let us again go back and read this. Now this will make more sense. Salesforce applications are the pre-built applications, custom CRM applications, ranging from Salesforce automation to partner relationship management, marketing. So everything related to CRM, all those applications are available here, right? The sales application, marketing application, customer support, or the customer service, these things are available, right? What if I need something which is completely off the tracks, which is not related to CRM at all? Then you need the force.com platform. So what is this force.com platform? Force.com platform is the first platform as a service. Okay, so this is the platform as a service where you can develop your own apps. Okay, enabling developers to create and deliver any kind of business applications entirely on demand and without software. So this platform allows you to develop your own business application based on the requirements that you have. Clear on this? So there are two things now. There is the Salesforce pre-built application, and there is the force.com platform which allows you to develop your own application as per your requirement. The other requirements, let's say I want to create an application and store my employees detail there. Salesforce does not have a pre-built application for that. However, if you want, you can go and create it on their platform. Okay, so during this training program, we will learn how to create build those applications as well. So that is how it will work. Okay.
This is Dikshit. I have a question.
Yeah, please tell me.
In force.com platform, let's say if I want to develop a custom software for my company need, but thing is like to do that I need to install some software. So can I do that, or they will provide the software with?
So again, can you just come again in the force.com? I could not.
In the force.com, they provide as a platform, right? They provide the platform. So if I want to install some software to build a application, so can I need to buy a software and install on the platform?
No,
or do they provide that particular for software on the platform?
Good question. So that platform will allow you to develop your own application. You will not need any software to be, purchased or installed. Nothing. Okay. You can directly start developing applications on that platform.
But the application needs a different software that may not have that. I mean, Salesforce.com may not have this software.
Yeah. So you can use this platform for developing only the applications which are meant for Salesforce.com, and they do not need you to install any software and all that stuff.
For example, let's say, I need to develop an application that required, .NET software.
Yeah, so .NET softwares are not developed on Force.com. That is what I am trying to say. So Force.com is not meant for designing any application. I mean, you will not go and design an Android application or an iOS application on this, right? So those are meant for Salesforce application only, and they are the ones which do not require any external software.
Jeet,
Okay,
Santosh,
so that means
Santosh here.
Santosh, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be really good. I mean, if we wait for the other person to finish and then we start. Yeah, Biksham.
Okay, no problem. So that means so they don't allow us any software to install on the platform.
No. So that is
They will
their
provide what are they?
that is their platform, and they will only allow you to create applications for their system. Fine. They will not allow you to create
Using their software.
Yeah, why would they allow you to create a Java application or a .NET application on Force.com platform? So that is not meant for designing other applications. That is meant for designing applications of Salesforce. Perfect?
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Santosh, tell me now.
Unmuted.
Yeah, Jeet.
Yep.
Hello. Hello, Jeet, can you hear me?
Yeah, Santosh, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I have a question. So,
Yes.
Salesforce by default has provided CRM as an application to use. Okay. If I,
Right.
as a company, want to do CRM in Salesforce, I'll buy that. I'm buying a license for like 100 users. I'm using CRM for that. Okay.
Right.
But on top of that, if I want to create an application, a totally different application, say for human resource, for HR, a heavily customized application, even that, and after creating the application, I will load data into that, either manually or through an upload function. And now that data also has to be maintained because I'm using that application as well, right?
Right.
Right. So would Salesforce manage that data as well?
Yes. They will. So your question is, will they allow you to store data for that? Yes, they will allow you to store data for that, and they will charge you a license fee for these applications also. So if we understand it now, I think as we talked about the pre-built applications as well as the Force.com applications. So for pre-built application, they charge you a certain amount. For this Force.com platform application also, they will charge you a monthly certain license fee or something, right? So that is why they charge it, because they will maintain your data for that application. So you will be able to store your data for that.
Unmuted.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So I think we have understood the overview and the basics of Salesforce. Now let us get into creating things. So I'll help you create your own edition or your own login on Salesforce, which you can use.